Hi, this is Bridget Castelluccio, Digital Learning Consultant from Grantwood AEA, here with another accessibility tip and trick. Today we're going to discuss descriptive links. So in our tips and tricks, we are going to look at the descriptive links, where we're going to consider creating hyperlinks that have a descriptive and unique text instead of just something like click here. Let's look at some examples. So I've created a sample document with a couple of examples of when we are using text for links. The first one's pretty common. Click here to learn more information. So is the second one. Click this to find out more information. And then the third is an example of using descriptive and unique language. Click on the Grantwood AEA website page to learn more information about our services. I'm going to use the screen reader to showcase what it sounds like when a screen reader is reading it.
Click here to learn more information. Click this to find out more information. Click on the Grantwood AEA website page to learn more information about our services.
As you can see, if I have vision barriers, or if I'm not looking at the screen, the descriptive link is much more helpful to know what I'm going to be clicking on. So screen readers can be used, and sometimes we'll read the shortcut. So it's really important to use descriptive and unique text surrounding the content so it allows for the user to know more specifically what they are accessing. So remember, this week's tip and trick, descriptive links. When you are using links, please use text that is descriptive and unique surrounding the content so that your user knows exactly what link they are going to access and what information they might find from that link. As always, reach out to one of our team members at the Grantwood AEA Digital Learning Team for more information.